Well, where would I be going this early in the friggin' morning?
There are individual waiting lights at your seat for when the cabin lights are dim.
Third in a row.
And we ask that you keep your valuables with you.
Hi, this is Autumn in Asia, and yes, I am in Asia. But did you know it took me 4 weeks to get here? Why, you ask? I'll tell you right after this.
Asia Plaza Wutu Châu Á Museum Gugur di Asia Asia Noir ฤดูใบไม้ร่วงในเอเชีย
Well, it all started when I applied for my visa for Cambodia, because I also want to go over to Cambodia. I'm in Thailand right now. And so I had to send off my passport and all that to Washington, D.C., no problem. And I was going to go into Thailand first, then hopefully go over to Cambodia. So I finally got my passport back, and then I applied for the testing go on the 19th. I wasn't flying out the 19th of December, and I wasn't going to fly out until the 7th of January. I had plenty of time, right? Well, I filled it all out, sent her on in on the 19th, and got back on the 23rd saying, oh, I did something wrong. Well, that kind of sucked because they discontinued it on the 22nd, so I couldn't correct the problem, and I'm not going to get into those problems. I was thinking about it, but just be careful when you're doing it. So anyways, I said, okay, well, hey, I've got this visa to go into Cambodia, and Cambodia is kind of the same way, and got everything all set up for that, prepaid for a COVID test, and I knew I needed a COVID test 72 hours before you get into Cambodia. No problem, I just had to pay twice as much. And then I found out that you have to have the original signed document that you are negative, and no, they don't want an email or anything, and nowhere could I find in town that I lived in of 1.6 million any place to do it. So okay, well, let's back up again and figure out what I'm going to do. The only other case then was going through the Phuket sandbox, which was really easy, really simple, really concise way of doing it. Wish I would have done it in the first place, but Phuket, 7 days, yeah, I could do it. But anyways, yeah, so that's why it took me 4 weeks to get into Southeast Asia. Now I'm beautiful Kamala Beach, and I'll only be here for the weekend, then I'm heading up north, up closer to Bangkok, and of course I'll be seeing you up there too if you want to see a little bit of Bangkok, the neighborhoods that I like to walk in, the ones that there are no Farangs, whatever, no white boys like me. Anyways, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.